Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom, and today we'll continue our series of making money on YouTube without recording yourself with a camera or being on camera. So with the channel we've been studying, this guy, what he does is that he goes to locate viral content and he uses a video converter. You can get Sony Vegas if you have some few money to invest, or you can use Windows Movie Maker to montage the video and add value to it, do a new thumbnail, do a new addition to it, add voiceover to it, add value to it, and use it as your own, as long as you give credit to it. So you can grow your channel by try and error. Do learn about how to make thumbnail online, how to use good titles, how to understand the YouTube algorithm, and also use it to advantage. So take care and subscribe to our channel.